left my car with the headlights on in the early morning through the fog. Don't quite know what I hope to find, searching for something just out of sight, searching through my soul to find just a little peace and quiet. But all these thoughts go through my head tonight, they'll always bring you back to life. My memories never seem to let you fade, although the time we had was but the time has come to turn the page. So I left my car, walked through the streets, took a good look at everything as the rain started to pour. The cold soaked through into my bones, the wind was pulling at my clothes, and all I thought was, where were you? But all these thoughts go through my head tonight, they'll always bring you back to life. My memories never seem to let you fade, although the time we had was short, you'll forever be